Welcome back to Primetime News, and a special welcome if you're watching online at onespotmedia.com. It's not enough. The reaction of an opposition MP on the monies allocated to members of parliament to undertake road patching, debushing and beautification in their constituencies. In making the announcement in Parliament yesterday, Prime Minister Andrew Holness said each MP will receive $15 million. He's also suggesting that some of it be used to reduce mosquito breeding sites given concerns about dengue. Vashon Brown has the details.
Despite what seems to be a reduction in the number of dengue cases recorded on the island, Prime Minister Andrew Holness says the $15 million allocated to each constituency for Christmas bushing and road rehabilitation projects must also be used to help reduce the spread of the mosquito-transmitted disease.
You will recall that last year, Madam Speaker, we had included in our routine maintenance program, which coincides with Christmas, we had included $3 million to deal with the dengue threat. This year, we were not able to do that, given the threat. However, it doesn't mean that we still would not be able to tackle breeding sites. In fact, I would hope that our MPs would use these resources to tackle areas that are breeding sites.
The Prime Minister says if MPs wish to channel the funds they receive into other areas, they must be guided by the established framework.
MPs are not allowed to reallocate funds from road patching. So the $7 million is set. That's the minimum. MPs may reallocate a maximum of $1 million from drain cleaning to any other heading. MPs may reallocate a maximum of $1 million from cleaning and sanitation to any other heading. And MPs may reallocate a maximum of $2 million from debushing to any other heading.
Meanwhile, MP for Northwest Manchester, Michael Phillips, believes the sum allocated for rural members of Parliament is inadequate.
And I am one member of Parliament who do not believe that I should use my CDF for bushing. Yeah? But for different other projects within my constituency. It's left at a disadvantage of the size and width of my constituency to do $4 million of bushing.
So if you decided that you wanted to take $2 million from bushing, $1 million from drain cleaning, and $1 million from debris removal and beautification, and put that on patching, then you could spend $11 million on patching.
Members of Parliament will have until March 2021 to utilize the allocated funds. Vashon Brown, TVJ News.